The events did affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties in the Jersey coastal waters. Again, this was the weekly test of the radio warning device.